They don't have mint chip, Kamala. Is chocolate okay?
Fine.
I'll meet you at the Chimera display, all right? Any of these low fat?
I think so, sir.
Oh, darn.
Are you okay?
No. I already got this comic. I need the Captain America one to finish the set. Wait. If you get doubles, want to trade?
Sure.
Cool. See you later.
I am Iron Man.
I am Iron Man. So cool. No, this one's all out. Oh my gosh! Repulsor gloves! Oh man. Oh, this is so cool.
Ah, what atrocity is this? Ah, apologies. You were very small and hard to see. There is no need to cower before a son of Odin, though I understand the impulse. What is your name?
Oh, Kamala Khan.
Uh-huh. And what is that thing you are holding?
Oh, it's a high-density muon beam. A Model 3 repulsor club. It's Tony Stark's first love.
Odin's beard. About as intimidating as the man himself, hmm?
Oh, you're funny.
Yes, I am. Behold, a true weapon that needs no improvement.
Whosoever holds this hammer, if she be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor.
Indeed. The difference between Stark's trinkets and the god's might.
I guess. But every hero has to start somewhere, right?
Yes, yes, of course. You are very wise for one so young.
Thanks. So are you.
Kamala Khan. I will remember your name.
I can't believe I just met the God of Thunder. Mind blown. Comic books. Prize. Focus.
Don't forget, the Avengers signing event starts.
Oh, Widow's Bite target practice. Looks like I need to play if I want one of those comic books. Hit the red targets, but not the green. 150 points to win. No problem. And stay down! Not bad, Kamala. Not bad at all. And this comic is now mine. Yes! 2 down.
Don't forget, the Avengers signing event starts at 12:30 on the main stage. Don't miss your chance to meet Earth's mightiest hero. So worth it.
Seriously, take a picture. When I point to you. Let's go.
No, you did it!
Come on. Oh, come on, almost.
I wonder if Tony Stark ever worries about helmet hair.
Oh, action.
Won't get away from me. I love your hair. Oh no, this one's all out. The shield cap used in World War II to smash Hitler in the face. This is so cool.
You're in the way.
I'm sorry.
This contest should only be for the real fans.
Hey, what makes you think I'm not a real fan? I deserve to be here too.
You really think that the Avengers read your little story? Get out of here.
When the mob, and the press, and the whole world tell you to move, you plant yourself like a tree beside the river of truth. And you say no. You move.
What?
Who said that? A real fan would.
Yeah, whatever. Let's get out of here.
Great. And they're out of comics.
You know, for what it's worth, I thought that was pretty brave.
Thanks.
I'm guessing you're a Captain Marvel fan. She's off planet, but she would have liked to meet you.
I'm sorry. You're Captain America. I'm Kamala. Kamala Khan.
Khan. Your story had the evil sewer...
The sewer lizards, yeah.
Yeah. Thor really got a kick out of that one. Said they actually had a sewer lizard problem on Asgard once.
You read my story.
Everyone submitted.
That is so cool.
Hey, Cap, we should head to the stage. Tarleton is losing his nerve.
Have you seen Thor? He should be here by now.
I saw him. I saw him, yeah. He was over at the Stark booth, but he's probably not there anymore because I saw him leave.
Who's the kid?
Nat, allow me to introduce one of our esteemed contestants. This is Kamala Khan, expert on all things evil sewer lizard.
Oh, all right. Hey, that thing you had me do with the storm drain cover? Pretty badass.
I mean, it's nothing compared to what happened between you and Madame Hydra. That was wild.
We should head to the stage.
Right. It's nice meeting you, Kamala.
See you around, kid.
I'll see you around. That was Captain America. And Black Widow. I'm dying.
Do you have a pen?
Another comic down.
I gotta get the party started. But I'll be around.
Give it a...
Can I try?
Give it a go. Come on.
Better give that hammer a try. I need that. So close.
Hey, almost worthy is still pretty good. Here's your comic.
Aw, thanks. Almost done. VIP balcony, here I come.
Come on, guys.
Cool, more comics.
Don't let Stark's
That's those scientists from the TVs.
Terrigen was meant for the people, not some toy for billionaires.
It still can be. Stay focused on what matters. Our work is going to change the world, George. I know you don't like the pageantry, but it will be worth it.
He'll want control, profit.
We won't let him. This is your moment. With Stark's funding and your mind, you'll be a hero to all those people. Can't you see? We are so close.
Here you are.
Bruce.
You disappeared this morning.
There's always work to be done.
I know.
What is it?
Nothing. It's some little thing. Just getting some strange readings off the reactor. George, maybe you were right. Maybe we were too hasty to put this on public display. Do you think we could run over the numbers just one more time?
Oh, yes, certainly.
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Hey, what are you doing back here?
Uh-oh. I'm lost?
Sure. Let's get you back to the main event, okay?
Huh. Already have this one. Hold on. Maybe I could trade this one with that other kid. Hey, I got the comic you wanted.
Awesome. Trade you.
Pleasure doing business with you. That's it! I got them all! Now to get up to that VIP balcony.
Remember to collect 5 event-exclusive comics to gain access to our VIP balcony for the main event.
Director Fury!
Director, aren't you concerned that your helicarrier's reactor might be incapable of containing this Terrigen? We know nothing of...
We wouldn't be moving forward if this wasn't completely safe. The Chimera delivers the safety and protection of the Avengers and S.H.I.E.L.D. combined.
Thank you.
Bruno's never gonna believe this.
Whoa, hey kid, be careful.
Oh. Okay.
Beta, this is the elevator to your fancy balcony. It needs your phone.
Open sesame, comic book overlords.
We're here to celebrate 2 amazing...
This is the best day of my life.
I'm glad, Beta.
Kept talking.
Make us heroes look a lot more impressive than we actually are. We're also unveiling a new clean energy source called Terrigen. I'm told it's quite powerful stuff. To explain how it works, the man who discovered it all, Dr. George Tarleton.
The Chimera is powered by a new mineral, Terrigen. 3 years ago, I found a strange rock, yes, in the San Francisco Bay. Upon further tests, it was clear this mineral would be...
Hello, San Francisco! The city of fine people, good food, and no parking. I am working on the no parking thing. Nice bag.
Oh no, this doesn't look good. We should get out of here. Come.
Sounds pretty big for an accident.
There are no accidents.
Thor, Tony, check it out. At once.
Try to keep up.
Prep the Quinjet net. Just in case.
On it.
You waiting?
Yeah, obviously. Figured I'd let you catch up. Whoa! This just got a whole lot more interesting.
Let's make this quick.
Way ahead of you.
Thor, see if you can clear a path on the bridge.
Aye. Go! We gotta leave armed men out here. We need backup. not worthy.
Tony, Thor, what's your status?
There are mortals trapped, and lots of small, angry men with guns.
I just caught a bus. Maybe I should have had a bigger breakfast this morning.
Thor! Thanks for the assist. We got civilians trapped behind those barricades.
Understood. Stay behind me. I will deal with them.
We got you, Thor.
This should be fun.
Thor, who are we dealing with here?
They did not introduce themselves.
Hang on, those guns are S.H.I.E.L.D. issue. I'll get Commander Hill on the line. Cap, they picked today for a reason. Agreed, Moose. I'm staying with the Chimera until we figure out what's going on.
Oh, help me! Please!
Thor, thank you!
Stay down. Help is on the way.
Sergeant, kill the guy! Whoa, 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 Thunder God! Who said you could have all the fun? That was pretty impressive.
Surprised?
Ooh, cocky. I like that. Incoming!
Shields, quick!
Losing people! Targeting enemy!
It's not over, Stark!
Hey, get back here! Just got confirmation. A S.H.I.E.L.D. convoy was hijacked this morning. This from one of Fury's morning briefs I never read? Come on, Tony. Those are important. Okay, whatever. Pulsar rockets. I'm glad Fury kept all my best tech in one place.
Those rockets are doing a lot of damage.
Yeah, I know. I built the damn things. Cap, we should secure the Terrigen crystal if that thing gets hit. Already on it. Tarleton's heading down to the reactor chamber now. Stay Which one of you B-movie extras shot at me? On my signal.
Avengers, the convoy is carrying classified SHIELD prototypes. Fury is tracking down the full manifest.
Hell! How's the cat? Well, tell Fury I really love being shot at with my own weapons.
We'll keep you updated, and Goose is fine.
I didn't know you were listening to that part. Here we go, people! You'd think these idiots would be running away by now.
Can't shake the feeling we're playing catch-up. There's something else going on here.
Alright, whose bright idea was it to outfit shield trucks with turrets?
Tony!
Oh, right. Fine.
What's going on down there, Tony?
Oh, nothing. Everything's just peachy. Just hoping these guys don't have... They take it back. They've got pulsar tanks.
Cap, that ship's not ready for flight. Why is it moving?
Someone's initiated the security protocols. The Chimera's autopilot has taken over.
You'll need backup. We're heading back.
Negative. Secure the bridge. Those weapons can't get into the city.
Copy that. You're up, Bruce.
Yeah.
On me!
Annoying little guys, aren't they? On my way. Today was going to be more fan clubs and funnel cakes.
Focus, Tony. number on the bridge. It could fall if we don't take him out.
Hurry up, big guy. It can't take much more punishment. Where's Big Green?
I got eyes on him. Hulk, bringing in the Quinjet for a landing.
Hulk smash!
Shit!
Charge! Inventions are dangerous, Stark.
Hey, those weapons were meant for the good guys.
Is that supposed to be a joke?
Not the time! Get your heads in the game! Cap, what's going on over there?
Not sure, Nat. Seems like the reactor's malfunctioning. I'm getting strange readings on the monitors, like we're being pulled to a heat signal in the bay.
Down!
Nat, it's going to destroy.
Repeat that, Cap. I'm having trouble hearing.
Nat, do you read? All hands. The Chimera is under attack. Evacuate the civilians.
Fire in the hole! Go, go, go!
Steve, do you read?
Nat! Nat! Carlton, are you there? We're being cut off!
Captain, we have a problem!
I know, Doc. They're trying to hijack the Chimera.
Not fast! I've never seen readings like these.
I'll get to you as soon as I can. I need an update. The reactor won't stabilize. The Terrigen's molecular structure is breaking down into a gas. Something below is feeding energy into the reactor. It's extraordinary. Take it down. Doc, I'll get back to you. This ship can't take much more of this.
I'm trying,
Carlton! Carlton! Avengers, do you read? What's happening out there? Avengers, report!
Shepard in my sights!
Shepard?
Avengers, if you can hear me, the convoy is transporting a highly lethal sonic disruptor bomb. Our enemies intend to detonate it within the city.
We're going down.
I repeat, a sonic disruptor bomb. Secure the asset at once.
Sonic bomb? Are you kidding me? Thought the UN outlawed those years ago.
Let's have a look, shall we?
Now that is an entrance.
Taskmaster.
get that detonator. That bomb goes off, it could liquefy everything within a 10-mile radius.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Tony, Thor, the cables! I'll handle the freak with the detonator.
Romanov! From one former SHIELD agent to another. Romanov! From one former SHIELD agent to another. Romanov! From one former SHIELD agent to another. I've learned a few tricks since we last met.
Oh yeah? Here's one. It's called kicking your ass!
The base of the bridge is secure!
Guys, I'm getting these strange seismic readings.
Tony, truck!
Got it.
The base of the bridge is secure!
Guys, I'm getting these strange seismic readings.
Tony, truck!
Got it.
Hungry? I'll take this.
You know, I was hoping to face you.
Funny, I've never given you a second thought. Come and get it!
You know, I was hoping to face you.
Funny, I've never given you a second thought. Come and get it!
Not so fast!
Oh, did I break your little jetpack?
Doesn't matter. I have this.
Damn it! Hand it over!
Come and get it!
Taking your usual notes?
What?
Oh, come on. The more I fight, the more you learn, right?
called photographic reflexes. Your dance ends now! Must be frustrating, always one step behind.
You're after the Chimera, aren't you? What are you gonna do with it? Sell it to the highest bidder?
I'm after something much more valuable.
What's that?
I won't spoil the surprise. Your dance ends now! Must be frustrating, always one step behind.
You're after the Chimera, aren't you? What are you gonna do with it? Sell it to the highest bidder?
I'm after something much more valuable.
What's that?
I won't spoil the surprise. Still trying to piece it together?
You giving up?
Not a chance! So, where has your investigation left you?
That you're not the brains behind this. And this smells like distraction. I'm done talking!
Coward!
What's the matter? Don't like surprises? Next time, take better notes. Guess you saw that coming, huh?
You think you've won?
What the hell are you talking about?
Look around, Romanoff. The world will remember this day. The day their heroes failed them.
What's happening here?
The city's collapsing.
Damn it, they played us. Steve, can you hear me? Get the hell out of there!
Nathan! Screw this.
5 years ago, the Avengers paraded dangerous, untested technology causing damage on an unprecedented scale. Our beloved Captain America was killed during the attempted theft of this technology. Thousands of other innocent people died, and many more still bear the scars of what has come to be known as A-Day. Hundreds fell sick, encased in strange cocoons, only to emerge with dangerous, otherworldly powers. With no known cure, the disease has spread across the country, and while both S.H.I.E.L.D. and the Avengers promised to rectify the situation, it was Dr. Banner's testimony that brought about the end of an era.
You so-called heroes transformed San Francisco into an infectious, gas-filled quarantine zone. You unleashed disease-powerful beings that wreak havoc throughout our nation. Many still lay dormant, unidentified. So I ask you again, Dr. Banner, do the Avengers pose a danger to society?
Yes.
Their activities outlawed, the once mighty heroes disbanded. But out of tragedy is born hope. After the government liquidation of Stark Industries, Dr. George Tarleton, himself a victim of A-Day and founder of Advanced Idea Mechanics, thinks science is the solution to our nation's problems.
I wish I knew what happened to Captain Rogers that day, but I was nowhere near the reactor room. I don't have those answers, but I can promise you this. I will use this second chance to make you safe. AIM will find a cure for the inhuman disease.
Comforting words to those families torn apart by the disease.
Gotta get to headquarters and check out what's on this flash drive. Flying toasters are everywhere. Gotta brace the ramp. Thanks for the lift. Nope, gotta get something to brace it. There we go. Who needs high-tech security when only I could make this jump? Back to the old HQ. It's a mess, but it's my mess. Looking pretty worn out. Wonder if they make any for supersized punches. Laptop's upstairs. Don't want to bump my head jumping up like last time. Just let somebody try to get me at range. Stretchy arms for the win. Need my laptop. If Abu saw these, he'd throw them out. He still thinks they're the reason for what happened to me on A-Day. All right, let's see what we've got. The Chimera? This must be the reactor room security footage. Dr. Tarleton. But you're supposed to be on the command deck. Oh, Cap. What's going on? No way. Tarleton sealed him in? There's no malfunction. He killed Cap. Oh my god, he killed Cap. What? Tiny dancer? Oh no. Heroes Park? I don't know. This could be a trap. But what if it isn't?
I guess.
Disaster aboard the Avengers flagship, the Chimera, leveled San Francisco, killing
Sounds like a
thousands.
knock on the door. I'll get it.
Hundreds of survivors infected with dangerous, unnatural abilities. The inhuman disease. Even the esteemed Dr. Banner denied the Avengers.
An inhuman has been detected in the vicinity. In accordance with Inhuman Protocol Section 3, Subsection 8-2, please remain still while we complete our scan.
There's one here?
No, it's fine, baby. Just stay calm.
Scan complete. No inhuman DNA detected. Thank you for your compliance. If you would like to give feedback on your scan today, you can fill out a survey at AIM's website. Thank you.
First time heading to the park this way. Forward, I guess? If Charlton's lying about the command deck, who knows what else he'd be lying about.
Hello, I'm Dr. George Tarleton, CEO and founder of Advanced Idea Mechanics. AIM is proud to announce an inhuman minute opening.
What was I thinking? Not graceful, but made it. Okay, get to the Cap statue. Hello, Heroes Park. Been a while. My parents used to bring me here all the time when I was a kid. All Inhumans. All missing. This is what Abu's really worried about. Should be a good place to stake out Cap's statue up ahead. AIM's tearing this place down to build their new clinic. Such a waste. Need a hand, big guy? Cap. It's been too long. Ugh. Tiny dancer?
Hey,